Before we start anything, let's think about how we can solve this question. In this question, we have in the denominator square root x plus alpha plus square root x plus beta. It is a sum of square root values. To remove these square root values, we can multiply both the denominator and numerator by its conjugate square root x plus alpha minus square root x plus beta. Then we can get the difference of two squares in the denominator. After that, we can cancel out x terms and bring 1 over alpha minus beta outside of the integral because it is a constant value. To simplify this numerator value, square root x plus alpha minus square root x plus beta, we can use the equation integral ax plus b to the power of n equals ax plus b to the power of n plus 1 over a times n plus 1. Clear? Let's jump into the question. As the first step, we can multiply both the denominator and numerator values from denominator's conjugate. Denominator's conjugate value we can write as square root x plus alpha minus square root x plus beta. Now we have difference of 2 squared in the denominator. In the numerator we have square root x plus alpha minus square root x plus beta. Square root x plus alpha perfect square equals x plus alpha. Square root x plus beta perfect square equals x plus beta. Then we can cancel out simple x value. Now denominator we have alpha minus beta. Alpha and beta are constants. So alpha minus beta is a constant value. So we can bring 1 over alpha minus beta value outside of the integral. Square root x plus alpha value we can write as x plus alpha to the power of half. Square root x plus beta value we can write as x plus beta to the power of half. After that, we can consider integral sign separately. Integral x plus b to the power of n value we can write as x plus b to the power of n plus 1 over a times n plus 1. Using this equation, we can get integral x plus alpha to the power of half and integral x plus beta to the power of half values. Integral x plus alpha to the power of half value we can write as x plus alpha to the power of 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2. Here simple n value equals half. So n plus 1 value equals 3 over 2. Integral x plus beta to the power of half value we can write as x plus beta to the power of 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2. Denominator of the denominator value equals numerator. So we can get final answer as 1 over alpha minus beta within bracket 2 times x plus alpha to the power of 3 over 2 over 3 minus 2 times x plus beta to the power of 3 over 2 divided by 3.